Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain why Bayern sacked Flick. We'll delve into the underlying factors that led to his departure, despite a period of immense success for the club. It's a complex situation involving more than just on-field results. We'll explore the dynamics within the club's leadership and how they ultimately influence this significant change. Stay tuned to understand the full picture. A primary reason for Flick's departure stemmed from his strained relationship with sporting director Hasan Salihamidzic. Their visions for the team's future and player acquisitions often clashed, creating significant friction behind the scenes. These disagreements weren't just minor squabbles. They represented fundamental differences in strategy. This ongoing tension ultimately became unsustainable for both parties, contributing heavily to the eventual split. Beyond the internal conflicts, Flick also expressed a desire for more control over the team's direction and transfer decisions. He felt his input wasn't sufficiently valued, leading to frustration. Furthermore, there was a strong indication that he was keen to take on a new challenge, specifically the national team coaching role. This ambition, combined with the club's internal dynamics, paved the way for his exit. Despite the circumstances of his departure, Flick's legacy at Bayern is undeniably impressive. He guided the team to an incredible 7 trophies, including a historic treble, in a relatively short period. His tactical prowess and ability to motivate players were evident in their dominant performances. His exit, while controversial, closed a chapter of immense success and opened the door for new leadership at the club.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.